distributions, medicines, sanitizers, so many things, and relief materials, food. It's I think beyond description of all that has been done during the last 9 months. And I fondly remember that you all, when it was cyclone in Odisha, or when it was cyclone in West Bengal, or whether when it was flood situation in UP or in Bihar or in Assam, our Red Cross volunteers, and I can see a lot of Red Cross volunteers they worked with so much of diligence, commitment, sincerity, dedication, selfless approach at these places also. During these 9 months, people were in fact reporting about shortages of blood, or maybe the way how do we actually ensure voluntary blood donation. And that was the time, and of course we had a lot of representations from thalassemics that they were finding it difficult to actually have a regular supply of blood. And that was the time when I saw from my own eyes, the Red Cross stood up to the occasion. And it's not only symbolic activity that they did. Anybody who wanted to donate his blood, and the society also rose to the occasion, and Red Cross was sending its team and the vehicle to the residences of the voluntary blood donors and collecting blood donation. For thalassemics also, we in fact ensured that they will all have a regular supply of blood. Even an app was launched by the name of e-blood services, where any thalassemic could actually register his requirement for blood, and then 4 bottles of blood were in fact kept ready for next 12 hours. Because of the coming winters, where there is always at least a theoretical possibility of the respiratory viruses, their transmission getting aggravated, and also because of the festivals that are coming in the coming weeks. So the country always needs to be taking much more precautions in a much more diligent and sincere manner. So I would appeal in this general body meeting, while you are continuing with the great work that you are doing, providing relief and relief material and all the masks and other things to the people of India, but also make sure that within your own institutions, within your own organizations, all our volunteers are involved in further involving the organized groups in the society for dissemination of this proper but basic knowledge. Wherever you see a person without wearing a mask properly, please stop and please advise him, because he is not only posing danger for his or her own safety, but he is also posing danger for the health of the others also.